Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Edge is equipped with rain sensors and automatic wipers. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. The fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. Now to remove the cover, you just have to push two black tabs to the left and then leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a small 15 amp blue fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.